it's Shay. I'm sporting my Temu shirt, y'all. 1977. That's when your girl was booked. And so listen, this is my midweek Walmart haul for you guys. I need 15 rebates for $5. I'm hoping that I can knock this out pretty easily. What else did I want to say? If you're new here, yes, if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. Couple things. Some of you guys were asking in my last video, what are extra offers? The extra offers are the offers that you find on Swagbucks, My Points, and Box that are the same as the offers that you see on Shopmium, Alexa, or you saw on coupons.com. Those are extra offers. I'm not sure why some accounts have them and some don't. I have them on all my accounts now, which is really cool because I can do, if it resets on Ibotta, I can do it up to like 4 different times, which is cool. Not to mention doing it on Shopmium. Well, I can't do it on Shopmium. I'm unable to stack any of the apps with Shopmium anymore. Let me know in the comments if you guys are still able to stack apps with Shopmium. I haven't been able to, so I haven't even tried. We also have Alexa as well. And so just being able to do the deal more times. I did post out a video questioning, are they trying to cancel the couponer? I do agree with a lot of you guys, though. I think that they are trying to phase out paper coupons, which I think is suck, because I think paper coupons is what makes it the funnest, you know, and I think that's their way of also, you know, trying to limit us on what we can do and how many deals, how many times we can do deals or whatever. And so, but if you haven't checked that video out, what was the last video that I posted? So check that one out. I would love to hear you guys' opinions. Other than that, you guys, we're going to keep this brief. Head over to Walmart so we can have awesome deals we can grab. You want to see what your girl got?
Hi guys, so the first deal is on the Weathers Originals. This is the smaller bag. They're priced at $128. I did this in my last video, but I totally forgot to record the deal. So we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these for $128 each. Your total is going to come to $256. And you'll get back 25 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also 75 cents back on Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, My Points, or Tada for buying 2, bringing them down to only 65 cents. This next deal is going to be on the Breyers Carb Smart. It's priced at $3.13. I think these went up in price. 2 separate offers on Fetch Reward. One is for 500 points for every dollar, and the other one is for 300 points for every dollar. So 800 points for every dollar should make that, what, like $250? And then there's 75 cents on well, it's on everywhere else. Alexa, Shopmium, Tada, Swagbucks. And so yeah, so that'll bring it down to being like a 12-cent moneymaker. Alright, so I guess my store doesn't carry it. I was looking for the brand of K-Cups. It's Victor Allen's. It's the K-Cups. The smaller box, the 12 count, I want to say. They are priced at $4.98. That's for the donut shop variety. And then you're getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 everywhere else. Swagbucks, My Points, and Box.Tada, Shopmium, Alexa. Making that only 98 cents, which I was really excited to grab because y'all know I love me some coffee. And so if you have it in your area, definitely is not a bad deal. Alright, so next up is the Ben's Original. It's the 10 variety. They are priced at $2.98. Grabbing 1, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. There's also an offer for 250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1. I'm making that $1.23. And yeah, my area doesn't carry the free ones on Ibotta. I wish they did, but they don't. But it's always good to check and not rely solely on what you see online, because sometimes online might say they don't have it, and you might come in store and it be dead ass on the shelf. So I say always check. Okay, so this next deal is gonna be on the cup of noodle stir fry one. It's priced at $124. I'm gonna grab 1 of them. I'll be getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. I'm bringing that down to only 74 cents. Alright, next up is the mac and cheese. It's the Wakanda Forever one, priced at $1. Ibotta's giving us back 50 cents, bringing that down to only 50 cents. And I still have offers for the other ones too. The thick and creamy, the 3 cheese, and the spirals, getting back 30 cents on Ibotta for those as well. Alright, so my next deal is going to be on the Lucky Charms. I saw someone post this on Instagram. I'll try to pop up who I saw post the deal, but it's on the Lucky Charms. They're priced at $3. Now for this, my offer on Ibotta, I have to buy 2. So I would grab 2 for $6, and then I would submit for the sample offer, which is getting back $2.40 for buying for 1 of them. and then $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Alexa as well, bringing these down to only 55 cents each. Now I do have it on the other apps as well, which then make this a little free. So, yeah. All right, next up, I'm definitely gonna be doing this deal again on the Belvita, Belvita like breakfast crunchy biscuit thingies. They are shelf price for $4.24. Last time I was able to price match the online price, which was $3.88. I'm not sure if I'll be able to be so lucky at this store, but we're gonna see. If I can price match the online price, I'd pay $7.76, getting back 75 cents for each on Ibotta, and then $2.50 on inbox dollars as well for buying two, making them $1.88 each. Starbucks. It's on the double shot as well as the triple shot. They are still on rollback for $2.48. Ibotta's giving you back $1 for each of them, 2 separate rebates. You might still have a 10-cent any coffee offer as well, bringing that down to $1.38. Okay, so I was gonna do the Chupa Chups. But they don't have none, y'all. Listen, that's probably because I got them all at home. Anyways, listen. So the best of is $3.13, and the Cremosa one is $2.94. Getting back 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3. It makes one of them a 6-cent moneymaker, the other one only 30 cents. So yeah, but my store is completely out. All right, so next up we have the silk yogurt. It is priced at $1.52. Grabbing one, getting back 85 cents on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 67 cents. So this next deal is on the Bamba Peanut Butter Suns. Okay, I don't know if that sounds great, but anyways, it's priced at $3.12. Oh, there it goes, $3.12. This is a sample offer. I'll have a link for you in the description, so you get that back via PayPal or Venmo, making it absolutely free. I'm also going to be grabbing the beech nut dinos again. They are priced at $3.66, getting back $2 on Ibotta and then $1.50 on the other apps. Inbox, Swagbucks, my points are ta-da. Not all of them on the same receipt, of course. It's also on Shopmium as well as Alexa. Making that only 16 cents. And then what else over here we're going to be grabbing? The pouches, the beech nut pouches down here. These are priced at $1.28, and for this we want to grab 6 of them. Wound up paying $7.68 out of pocket, but getting back $2 for buying 4 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on inbox dollars for buying 6. Inbox, Swagbucks, my points are ta-da. And then $1.25 on Fetch for buying, I think on Fetch is for buying 6 as well. So it brings them down to only 40 cents each. So next up is the Raid Ant Bait, priced at $4.43, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on the other apps as well. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Ta-da, Alexis, Shopmium, bringing that down to only 43 cents. Next deal is on the Purina Beneful. It's on the Purina Beneful. It's on rollback for $1.34. I'm gonna grab 4 of these for a total of $5.36 at a pocket. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta and then $2.75 on inbox dollars. It's also on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, ta-da, Shopmium, Alexa, making it only 15 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Now you could also grab 2, which is not a bad deal either, but we go big or we go home. So this next deal is going to be on the ink box. It did pop up on Ibotta again, which I was excited for. And so just make sure you scan them first. I did scan a couple of them. I scanned the sun one and I scanned this butterfly one. They do work. So grabbing one at $9.98, getting that back on Ibotta makes it absolutely free. And again, I found these over by the nails. Okay, so next up is the Dove Men Care, price at $4.98. We're gonna go ahead and grab one of these, getting back $8 on Ibotta. There's also 475 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.90, and then $2 on Inbox, Swagbucks, My Points, ta-da, Shopmium, Alexa, whichever, bringing that down to only 8 cents. Alright, so next up is the Old Spice. It's on the trial size. They're priced at $2.12. For grabbing 2 of those, you'll end up paying $4.24 out of pocket. You'll get back 3 on Ibotta, bringing those down to only 62 cents each. Now, I did try the, where is it at? I did try the Olay to see if it would work for the $5 back when you buy 3, but that didn't work for me. And so yeah, some of it depends, and some of them are double attaching. for a $10 back offer as well as a $2 back offer. The cheapest ones I could find were $14.42. I don't remember if this one right here in the box was a double attaching, but the women one were, this one right here, these two were, that one is, I'm trying to think if this one did. I don't remember if this one did. These did down here as well, so it would make it $2.42. I know there's an offer on Shopmium for when you buy two. And so, I mean, it's not bad if it's something that you use. I do sell these on OfferUp. I've sold Depends before, so definitely not a bad deal. Now, if the limit on Ibotta was a limit of 2 at least, then you could grab 2 and submit on Shopmium or Alexa. But it's just a limit of 1, so it would just be $2 and what, 42 cents. And so yeah. Sorry if they're talking so loud. They've been so loud. I thought I hit up my clearance section. They have these signs, anything under 15 is $1 at the register. So I didn't find a lot. Of course, I'm still looking, but they said it has to have the little tiny sticker on there versus like these really big ones like this. So I did find a couple things, nothing rebate related, but I did find a resistance band I'm gonna go ahead and grab. And then I found this, and then I found 2 of these pencils sets, which I thought was pretty cool for $1. So I'm gonna grab those. We already have 4 of these lamps in our house, y'all. We have 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs, and I low-key really want to get that. I really low-key want to get it, but I'm not. But I do. I think 2 of them we got from here, and 2 of them we got from Amazon. She grabbed some of these, and they're $3.50. So the lady was saying these would count as clearance. So anything under $15 clearance price is $1. So I'm gonna grab these 3 right here. 3 totes. One of them doesn't have a lid, but I think I'm okay with that. I had her check those up there, and those are still regular price. But those were on clearance not too long ago. They were, but they're not now. So she said if you scan it with the app and it's showing on clearance, they have some more over here. Oh my gosh. OMG. I should get a bunch of black ones and put these back. I don't think these have, no, they don't have lids. None of them have lids. What'd they do with all the lids? None of these have lids. Yeah, none of these have lids. That sucks. I would so grab them if they had lids, but none of them have lids. This one doesn't. Oh, this one has a lid. So what I'll do is I'll grab this lid to go with my other one right here. I'll grab 3 of these. I found this set of sheets too. I figured you get them for Josiah's bed. And so yeah, for $1. It scanned in the app for $7.50. And so yeah. God, these totes would be so awesome if they flipping had lids. What if there's lids that would fit these on the other aisle? I'm gonna check that. Okay, I found these. I have one that has a sticker, so I'm gonna see if they can price modify it for me for $1. If not, I can get this one for $1 and then pick up one of these at $2.25. There's an offer on Ibotta for $9 when you buy 2. So that would make this a really awesome deal, especially if I could get them to do 2 of these. So I'm gonna see if I can get 2 purple ones and see if they'll price modify it for me. But all these are on clearance, buy 2. But even without them price modifying it for $1, to get 2 of these, that'd be what, $4.50? And you get back 9. That'd make that a nice money maker. And so yeah, here y'all look. I found these Minecraft lunch packs, lunch bags. And if you have a 7-year-old like me, you know that they lose them all the time. So, and I think Josiah's first year, which was, well, his first grade year, he lost 4 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these for $1. I'll probably give one to my little nephew, as a matter of fact. So I grabbed those for $1, and I also found this right here. I'm gonna see if they can put this at $1 as well. There's a rebate on Shopkick. No, not Shopkick. It's not on Ibotta. I have this on Shopmium, and Alexa. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. If it's $1, then I can submit it and it'll be like a $9 moneymaker. So I'm gonna try to grab this as well. And then I saw these right here, which look really cool for kids. To grab these as well. What's the age? 6+. Yeah. And they have book covers. What are these? These are cute little paper clips. Aren't they cute? Backpack pins. Those are cute too. So yeah.
I need to get the hell out of here. Like for real. For real, for real. They have these up here. These don't have stickers on them though. Oh wait, those do. This one does. This one has a sticker on it. I wonder if they'll give me these for $1. Let me stop, y'all. I need to really stop. I really need to stop.
Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out really, really good. I did get a bunch of stuff for $1. I think I showed you pretty much everything though already. We got 3 of these. I actually found this. I don't know if I showed y'all this, but I found this as well. I thought that was super, super cute. And sheet set, and I bought this resistance band as well. And so yeah, let me show you this receipt super, super fast. But yeah, I went up front and they had to price modify everything. But I did get everything for $1. I had 15 items and $15. So that worked out really good. And then of course the 3 totes that you see right here. All right, so there's that. And I also had them price modify this one as well for $1. And if it resets on Ibotta, I'll probably go back and get the orange one. That one was like what, $2.25 I want to say. There was that, and then this right here, the Asta Pro, that was also price matched for $1 as well, which is awesome because, and that's good till like 2025. I got back $5 on inbox dollars, and I'll also get back $5 on Alexa as well. I didn't go over this deal in the video because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, but I did get this deal from Fendi Saves. I did it, but I did it for just for the one rebate, but she was saying that it was double attaching and working for both rebates for the razors. And so this was priced at $9.97. I got back the $4.50 on Ibotta, and then I submitted on Shopkick and got back the 2 different offers on there for that. So I made that like $1 and like 50-cent moneymaker or something like that. Now what I did is I submitted on Shopkick first. Once it went through, then I submitted on Ibotta, because if it hadn't gone through on Shopkick, then I wasn't going to get it because it wouldn't have been a great deal for me. But it did go through for me on that. Other than that, what else? I think that's basically it, you guys. So I'll have links in the description for the Bamba sun thingies and also for the Lucky Charms as well. And so everything you see here retails $82.75. The tax was $2.89, and then we walk away with $45.58 from Ibotta. We've got $18.50 from inbox dollars, and everything is going into review just like it did for me on Tada. Shopkick was $9.90. Alexa is $11.50. Fetch Reward is $3.75. I did have to correct the receipt for the beech nut pouches. And then we have the offers for the peanut butter sun chip things and the Lucky Charms. One was $3.13 and one was, the Lucky Charms was $2.60. So we get back a total of $94.96. It's gonna make everything you see here free plus a $12.21 moneymaker, which is awesome. It's almost a $10 moneymaker after tax, which is even better. Other than that, I hope you guys are having the most amazing day. I whenever watch wherever you're watching from, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.